Because I know that they use the same paint throughout the whole.
Yeah. It's just like the texture's wrong and the color's wrong as well. It's like two different things wrong. In other words, if my body shop painted like that, it's back there, they're doing it.
Okay.
But finicky.
Yeah.
It's fine by leisure though. I mean, there's only two coaches I would even look at as plug and play.
Okay.
I mean, I've got a Beyond now, I told you that. And the only reason I have the Beyond is because there's no painting other than the Ford ones.
Right.
They don't paint anything on it. Right. The bumpers are already painted, so coachman can't screw it up.
Right.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's the other one.
Yeah.
It's just a name.
Yeah.
This is working good here. It's
It
another
is.
plus.
It is.
This is 15,000 too, right? 15,000 BTUs.
Yes.
Let's see this. All right. There.
Yeah, it's been,
Yeah.
all of us are in here, we hook on to it.
Yeah.
It's surprising how much of a beating they take at a show.
Gosh.
It's,
You look at some of the really
unreal.
lower end coaches. I mean, there's stuff just laying on the floor right after these shows. And they're just falling apart.
We've had lots of trouble with our pantry doors because people will leave it buttoned in and just reef on it.
Yeah. 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 See, Howard, the dealer that I've got, they don't even have one of these coming. They've never sold one, and he can tell me a lot about it. But I mean, they're pretty savvy, but they've got, I think they're pretty savvy.
These ones are promoted.
Right.
That's when they started.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what they're in production.
Yeah.
Why, obviously.
That is the darkest color, right? This is called Mountain. And I'm thinking with the white numbers. That would probably look
Yep.
nice. This is the old cabin color, right?
This for this unit,
Natural
yes.
rib? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. My wife likes the white numbers.
Yes.
She likes the dark yellow.
Okay. It's all
Personal preference. Exactly.
I don't think so. They were like, no.
Yep. Yeah.
If you hit the bigger compartment right back there, for the bicycles, that's what that happened. How we doing, folks? Just fine, thank you. Good, good, good. Anything I can do to help you put something together? No, we're just wandering through. Thank you.